Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another edition of Binary Life, a channel that teaches new developers how to code by solving algorithm problems. Today, we are going to solve the power of 2. Well, basically, if we are given a number n, which is an integer, return a list of all the powers of 2 with the exponent, all the powers of 2 with the exponent ranging from 0 to n. So here, for example, n is 2. So we're going to go 2 to the power 0 to the power 1 to the power 2. So from 0 to 2. This is it here. So how do we do that? I think we can do that with I'm just gonna create my ants. Let's just do it simple. I'm going to create let's increase the size. I'm going to create an answer. Sorry, I don't have square braces, that's why I'm suffering. This is crazy. So I'm just going to copy from here. Right, it's going to contain my answer, and then I'm going to do a for loop. So for an I that starts at 0 and I ends at n incrementally. What do we have now? Inside answer. So this is my answer. I'm going to put all my answers inside here because we have to construct an array like this. And then I have a loop that loops from, you see, 0, 1, 2 up to n. That's why it starts at 0 and n at n. And for every number, this is a number, I'm going to put 2 to the power of that number. 2 to the power of that number, and I'm going to add it inside the answer. Now there are many ways to do the power in JavaScript, but let's just go to the node. We know that 4 square, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4, I think is 16. You just put star 2 times, we have 16. That's it. How you put power. 2 to the power 4 in JavaScript is like this. Right, so I'm going to append 2 to the power I, because I varies. So this is 2 to the power I, the next I is 1, the next I is 2. At the end of the loop, I'm going to return the answer. So let's attempt that. Append is not a function. I think it's push. Append should be Python. So it's actually push for JavaScript. That's it. That's it. And let's run the code. Right, it works, and let's submit. And this looks like what we have done. This is another way to do power, but it's the same code. The same code, just in a short format. Exactly the same code. So this is like a spread operator, but it's the same code. So I'm going to stop here for now, and thanks for viewing, and this is exactly what we did. All right, see you on another video for another algorithm.